Hello students, welcome back to Study Well. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe. In this video, we are going to discuss writing skill, that is how to write speech. What are the rules for writing speech and its format? What is a speech? A speech is an effective way of communicating a message to a large audience. It's one of the ways of spreading awareness regarding social issues or giving information. As a form of writing, a speech is similar to an article except that it begins with a formal address to the audience. It's more conversational in tone and concludes with a thank you. A speech is written for a specific purpose like informing, persuading, convincing, or entertaining an audience. Let's discuss in detail what are the components of a speech. First is introduction. It begins with greeting the chief guest or principal, teachers, and other listeners. It may include a striking statement, short anecdote, a saying, or anything else which will immediately make the audience interested. Then the topic of the speech will be announced along with the occasion if required. Next is elaboration of the topic. It will include a sequence of ideas to build up to the summing up and conclusion. You may include examples, evidence, or data to support the ideas. You can paint verbal pictures and dramatize or personalize the information. Next is summing up. Summing up of the speech. Summarize the most important points in your speech, but don't repeat them. Last point is conclusion. Depending on the purpose of your speech, conclude with a call for an action, an appeal or warning, a request, and an expression of thanks. This is the last part of a speech. Let's learn the format of a speech. Example: to enforce strict discipline in schools and colleges is a great problem nowadays. Write a speech in 120 to 150 words to be delivered in the school morning assembly on the problem of discipline. You are Mohini or Mohit. Respected principal, teachers, and dear friends. This is a formal address to audience. Next is the introduction. I'm Mohini of class plus 1B. It's rightly said by Swami Dayanand, discipline is necessary not only in schools and colleges but in all walks of life. Absence of discipline will lead to chaos and confusion in life. Today, I'll speak on the value of discipline in life. The next paragraph. Discipline is the key to keep things in order. It's absolutely essential for the growth and development of an individual and healthy society. It's indispensable for everyone in all spheres of life. That's at home, school, playground, society, in service, public life, and everywhere. Discipline must be inculcated early in life. If the child is allowed unchecked freedom, it becomes wayward. Student life is a seed time of life. Hence, the value of discipline in academic life cannot be underestimated. Proper counseling and guidance by parents and teachers can help the students to maintain discipline. Punishment, physical or financial, cannot be a corrective measure. This is the content of a speech. Last is formal thanks to the audience. This thank you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe Study Well. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.